Friends, today we will work on consolidating data. It is the part of second unit electronic spreadsheet of session. First, analyze data using scenarios and goals. Okay, so for consolidating data, we will work on OpenOffice Calc. Okay, it is same as MS Excel. Okay, so how we will open? First, we will click on Start button. Then we will click on All Programs. Here you will see openoffice.org. Here you can click. When you will click here, you will see here is openoffice.org Calc. Click on this option. When you will click, this type of screen will appear in your window. Okay. So first we will discuss range. Range means, suppose this is the cell. Okay. So here you will see name box. The name of this box is F19. Okay, I will show you using magnifier. Here plus here, when we are clicking this box, here the name in the name box it is A5. Okay, and we are selecting this. So here you will see this is the range B5 B5th to C7. So this is the range here. Okay, B5 to C7. Okay, so here we have a table. Suppose 2019 and 2019 datas. Suppose Ravi sells toys on April 50 toys. He sell in May 60, in June 61, Rahul in April 45, and so on. Okay, and also Deepak in 2018. And on 2019, Ravi sells 55 in May 56, in June 65. Okay, and in any box here, or we want to add this data here, any range. You can select any range here or there, or you can also create another table here for total. Okay, so for this, first you create a range for this. Here select this portion. Here you will see D114 D14 to G17. Here G17. Okay, 17th column. Okay, understand? This is the range of this selected area. Okay, we can also give the name. Okay, this B14 to G17, we can also give the name here. See the mouse cursor here, by RANG range 1. Okay, now press enter. Now for this, select this area of 2019 data of selling toys of Ravi, Rahul and Deepak. Okay, now here the range is I14 here to L, this is 17. Okay, this is last L17, I14 to L17. Now we are giving the name RANG range 2. Press enter. Okay. Now next option, what we will do, we'll go to the data option. Okay, pressing the data tab. Here click on consolidate. Here a consolidate window will appear. What you will do here, there are so many functions: sum, count, average, max, min. So we are taking sum here. There is source data range here. We have already defined the range. range 1, range 2. Click on range 1 here, click on add, it will add here, and another, click on range 2, click add, it will add here. Okay, now copy result to here, click this. We did not define the range of the result. Okay, so suppose we are giving the result here, here. Okay, click outside this window, this consolidated dialog box or window here, it will show here. Okay, so click on more. Now in the more, consolidate by, click on row levels, click on column levels, or link to source data. It means row levels means it will add by row. Okay, by row, and column level means it will add column wise. Okay, column wise. Okay, means it will take rows and it will take columns. Next is link to source data. Link to source data means if we change here any data, so the output here where we will give the output, there will also apply changes. Okay, now click on OK. Here you will see the output range. Here shows the output here. Okay, 50 plus 55, 105, 60 plus 56, 116, 65 plus 65. Okay, so it is the range. It is the output range in which it gives the result. Okay, so student, try it in your laptop or desktop. Okay,